all of living's feelings, all of living's hungers. So a living depends on eating food and gather knowledge. Some audience feeling is strange from these lectures. Just moleculars, atoms, nucleus is consist of it. So the human being is body, souls. We can be, defined newly. Body is living on eating food. Soul is living on knowledges. So I'm trying to talking on my concept topics. Body is food. Soul is knowledge. Human being excitement living depends on health, body, and righteous souls. So as eating satisfies rich health, body. Soul eat knowledges, rich at righteous souls. If we do not eat, maybe hunger to, estimations, we will be die. Soul do not eat knowledges. You imagine that? How we will be? Even we are living on the body, but righteous soul die in the dying righteous soul instead of wicked souls. So as wicked souls, we will not reach at just creating souls places, righteous soul living in destination place. To go back righteous living destination, we must do not to be die righteous souls. So body living is we can see, touch, so we know it. The soul is we can see, we cannot touch, we do not know it. So we just mostly we are just ignorantly forget to save, keep living to body and souls. To be living is eating, so the health body. To be going back to the righteous soul living destinations, we have to survive righteous souls. To do that, we must be eat knowledges. Knowledges is two kinds of knowledges. Share with others knowledges. Others righteous souls, my righteous soul's communication then is my knowledge, my creating in the inside, knowledge transferred to neighbors. A neighbor knowledge is transferred to me, in me inside. So that, with both knowledge is increasing. But also, what are people saying? All of livings, all of human beings, feelings. The feeling is sometimes new feelings, strange feeling coming up. And then the feeling is talking then, ear hear, so to reach it brains. The same is the coming, just feelings, write down the paper, and I see the knowledge reach at brains. So, just the soul eat brain is, by himself, by herself, and creating. How to just creating knowledges. That is why in inside world, silence and clear creation of knowledges. All living inside, every day, every time, comes from where? Righteous living destination places. We are all righteous souls. So we are all just, can get just knowledge from righteous living destination, just like radio. As you know that radio, loudly and sounds, then can get radio. The same as the inside loudly and dirty, then cannot hear radio from righteous living destination place. So that to can be heard, the radio of righteous living destination place, we must be, make in inside silence and clear of creation of knowledge. Silence, clear. This is enlightening. But we are body eats, every day eats. Body hunger, then we eat. But souls, if we do not solid knowledge, then body eats food, just living. What is this? This is same. If soul do not eat knowledge, only body eat food, then what happened before I said to you? Soul eat knowledges, righteous souls. Soul do not eat knowledge, wicked souls. Body eat food, rest. So if we soul do not eat knowledge, and the body food, then is animal, human animals. But soul eat knowledge, body food, both is then the human being to be God. Just righteous soul living is righteous soul living in destination places. So that is, if soul do not eat and body eat, then is human animal livings. Soul eat knowledges, body is food, then human God of human being livings. It is. Without just eating knowledge, we can get running to the righteous living destination place. Because in the righteous living in destination place, righteous souls are. Creation of knowledge limitless. Righteous soul living energy limitless. This condition is we can reach at the righteous soul living destination place. Without that, we are all dropped to the wicked soul living in destination places. Wicked soul living in destination places only just like the same as behavior of animals. All animals, to get own eatings, to be satisfied himself only, do not think others. This is any human being animals. Body is, soul do not eat, knowledge is human being animals. But body is food, soul is knowledge. This is God of human beings. This is behavior is share time with others and help others and do nearly of others. This is, righteous living, righteous souls. Right, it would build a strong, healthful body. Solely knowledge is creating the righteous soul livings. Yes. Righteous Soul TV audience, you are now is the stranded, knowledge. Will go friends with me. Today's starts like this. Thank you very much.